Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xumo Stream Box not connecting to TV, HDMI, source and CEC. To fix a Xumo Stream Box that is not connecting to your TV, perform a hard HDMI handshake, reset by unplugging both devices from power and disconnecting the HDMI cable for 60 seconds. This clears cache connection errors, forcing the streaming box and TV to properly recognize each other. Fix 1. Fix the HDMI handshake black screen or no signal. Power cycle. Unplug the power cord of both the TV and the zoomer box from the wall outlet. Next, disconnect HDMI. Pull the HDMI cable out from both the back of the TV and the zoomer box. Now clear residual power. Press and hold the physical power button on the frame of your TV for 10 seconds to fully drain the capacitors. Next is to reconnect sequentially. Wait for 60 seconds, then plug the TV back into the power and turn it on first. After that, reconnect the HDMI cable firmly to HDMI port 1 on your TV. Finally, plug the zoomer box back into power. Fix 2. Verify source and port settings. First, match the port. Look at the physical label on the back or side of your TV where the cable enters. Example HDMI 1, HDMI 2. Next, cycle inputs. Press the source or input button on your TV remote, not the zoomer remote, and select the exact matching port. Now downgrade compatibility mode. If you're using an older TV, the Xumo Box's default high-speed HDMI 2.0 plus signal might cause compatibility glitches. So navigate to your TV settings, find input, and change the HDMI compatibility mode from standard enhanced to compatibility HDMI 1.4. Next is to test the hardware. If the signal fails, swap the HDMI cable or test the Xumo Box on a different TV port to rule out a broken port. Fix 3. Resolve CEC and input switching glitches. Enable CEC on your TV. Go to your TV's main settings menu, look for inputs or system, and turn on HDMI CEC. Note, manufacturers use different names for CEC. Look for AnyNet Plus on Samsung, Bravia Sync on Sony, SimpLink on LG, or Rexa Link on Toshiba. Next, change TV power on settings. If your TV still boots to its own home screen, like a TCL or Roku interface instead of the Zoomer box, go to your TV settings, then go to System, find Power, and change the power on default settings from home screen to the specific HDMI port where your Zoomer box lives. Wake the box. Zoomer boxes aggressively enter a deep standby mode. If the screen is black, hold the Zoomer remote close to the box and press the home button once to wake it up. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.